Greetings fellow Decepticons, Soundblaster1987 here with my review of Robots in Disguise 2015 Mini-Con class Decepticon Ratbat. As you can see here, Ratbat is in his torpedo storage configuration mode. This design is specifically designed to integrate with the RID deployer class figure Fracture, the Decepticon bounty hunter who turns into a Cybertronian hover motorcycle. Somewhat akin to the Ghost Rider 2099 motorcycle, but in purple. Unfortunately, I don't have that figure, so I can't quite show off the full integration of it yet, but I can at least show off the other features that you can get right out of the packaging with this guy. So, for example, the Decepticon symbol here is on a poker chip shaped scannable sticker, which you would scan with your mobile phone to unlock Ratbat in the RID mobile game, which is now defunct. It's basically a one-step simple transformation of mostly geared around the shoulder joints of the torso. So, squeeze the back to the shoulders to split the legs, then rotate everything down, like so. Flip the feet forward, and here we have Ratbat in his robot mode. For size comparison, here he is with EQ, the arms micron from the Jet Vehicle figure from my previous review. Animated laser beam from my Soundwave video. And animated Soundwave, since I don't have the RID 2015 version at this time. Being a Mini-Con, of course, Ratbat is much smaller than the deluxe Soundwave. All the individually packed Mini-Cons in the RID 2015 toy line come with a faction symbol shaped model kit sprue with armour parts that you can attach to them. In this case, Ratbat came with a Decepticon symbol shaped sprue of parts, which include two energy flare blades that attach to his legs, like so. Actually, I think I might have put these on the wrong way around. Bear with me. Nope, I was right the first time. The slots for these armour pieces are very specific shapes so you can tell which way around each part goes. He also comes with two wingtip blades that go on the edges of his feet. Like so. Now these double blades here are also part of a combination with some of the other Mini-Cons in the line to form a shark made of energy of multiple different colours, and these go on the upper body just here, onto these tabs here, with these slots on the underside, like so. Some of these parts are a little bit loose on my copy, so forgive me if they fall off during the review. Finally, this double barrel gun goes on top of his head, like so. And this little energy blade thing goes underneath him. clipping into these tiny little grooves on the underside where the serial number is. And here we have Ratbat fully armoured up and ready to defeat the Autobots. And he is still fully transformable with the armour on, just a little bit harder to do without popping something off. So, as you'll see momentarily, he can still fully transform back into his torpedo configuration with the armour attached. A little bit tricky to do sometimes, so bear with me. As I said, trying to transform him with the armour attached sometimes results in the armour popping off. I've not had this figure very long, so the transformation gears are still a bit temperamental and tight, so... With the armour attached, his torpedo mode actually looks like a battle-damaged spaceship. Almost. So, here he is in his full armoured torpedo mode. I don't know whether you can attach him to Fracture with the armour fully attached, because I don't have Fracture to show it off just yet. You'll have to wait for a future review to see that happening. So, that concludes my review. I have been Soundblaster1987. Join me live on the 29th of September 2021 when I reveal review number 100. Till then, till all are one.